Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 2x. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to negative number 2 sine 2x ds. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u, so we have u to the power of 4 sine 2x ds. We change by this one. The integral of u to the power of 4 we can change into u to the power of 5 over 5, and we put about c. Number 2 and number 5, we will have number 10. About u, that's about cosine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.